Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset to factory settings your laptop's or desktop PC. I have now an Asus VivoBook 16 with 12th generation's processors. Take note, it's important to maintain the original license OS instead of install a new cracked OS. So, whenever you feel that your laptop is getting slow oftentimes, better try to reset the PC instead of trying to install a new cracked OS. Now let's begin. First, click the Windows icon on your laptop, then click the Settings. Then click System. Scroll down and look for Recovery. Then click to open. Now you will see the options Reset this PC. Just click it to begin the process. This time you can choose into two different options if you like to keep your files or removed everything. For me, I'll choose to remove everything. It will totally remove all your previous files and it will back again into factory settings like the first time you bought it. In this options, choose local installed so it can continue even it's in offline modes. And before it'll start, Windows will request to plug in your laptop charger before it continues. After plugging the charger, it's now ready to begin the resetting process. Just click Next. Just wait until it's finished. And this process will take some minutes. I'll speed up the video. Now the reinstalling of operating system are finished. This initial setup is depending on you. You can set it up based on your selections. And now this is the final setup. Microsoft will force you to sign in a Microsoft account before you continued. After you complete this, the resetting is done. But if you don't want to log in your Microsoft account and planning to sell your laptop or give it to anyone, I will upload a new video on how to bypass the Force Microsoft account sign-in. And I will share the link of the video in the description of this video down below. Thank you for watching.